During the Industrial Revolution, businesses and factories started to open up and sell their products. Business owners became very wealthy because of the products they sold around the world. In order to sell and create these products, they had to be transported. One of the ways they transported products and goods was trains. Trains were the most efficient way of transporting goods. They were fast, had lots of space, and didn't take as long to import and export goods. These are the reasons why trains impacted Britain and the Industrial Revolution. Trains became such a success in the Industrial Revolution because of how efficient they were. They were much faster, had more space to transport goods, and overall was a huge improvement in the transportation industry. They didn't only transport goods, they also transported people and agriculture, as well as animals. Trains were fast, and that helped the growth of communities and made it possible to expand cities. They made traveling for the people of Britain much easier to work and visit between neighboring cities. People could expand businesses and farms because of trains that helped the growth and wealth of Britain in the 1800s. Trains became the number one transportation vehicle because of how much it can carry. Trains could carry so much more goods and livestock than carriages and horses, which made trains more accessible and worthwhile for people to use. Trains could carry much more passengers than other vehicles as well. More people transported means more people that expanded different regions and countries. People could now have more jobs and opportunities in new, advanced cities. The final reason trains were such a success in Britain was that it was possible to expand and grow. Different vehicles could not travel as long or as fast as trains, making trains more useful for people and business owners. Trains were very accessible. With horses or carriages, you had to go to certain business owners and farms to rent horses, whereas trains had train stations. Train stations made people use the train more often and were easier to access than other transportation vehicles. The growth of trains in the Industrial Revolution had a huge impact on Britain. Many of the businesses and people of Britain traveled and expanded, causing more wealth and money towards the different groups and population. Overall, trains made it more efficient for the people of Britain.